Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review SEO-4Retail. This tool promises you to generate SEO-optimized product descriptions to increase your sales. Sounds good, isn't it? Well, this tool is pretty niche and pretty specific, so we'll see how it works. Though any tool that claims to be SEO optimized, in all that cases, I would double check if it is really SEO optimized. And well, in this case, I would say it is not. It doesn't mean that the product is bad. It still delivers, I think, on its promise to generate product descriptions. It can be useful in many cases. However, what does it mean SEO optimized? In my opinion, it means that the tool can do keyword research and put that keyword research into the generated output. However, if we scroll through the questions and answers, and actually this is the direct question, does the tool do targeted keyword research? And the answer is no. The suggestion from the founder team is to add your keywords to the input spreadsheet that you will feed as an input to this tool and add your SEO keywords columns there as an input. So right from the start, I would say it is not SEO optimized. So actually, what does this tool do? You will provide the list of the categories or the list of products, and it will try to expand the description for each line from your input file from CSV or Excel spreadsheet. And before we see the tool itself, let's look at the questions one more time. So the tool is not able to scrape the web. So the tool will not scrape the URLs that you put into the pages. For example, it will not get the descriptions from the Amazon products. They are not connected to Shopify, but they have plans to connect. They do not analyze images of the products to generate descriptions. For example, it can be an image of a bag, and AI can try to generate some kind of description, but they don't do that. So the length of the generated description will be limited to some extent. For example, you cannot ask it to be like 2000 words. And regarding the roadmap, it is kind of a black box. They are not sharing what they plan to do. So you need to consider the software, I would say, complete for now. So no one can promise you that it will evolve because the founders are not sharing the roadmap. So if you like the software as it is, please check the link in the description. So let's take a look at the tool. So first of all, you have the configuration. You have your tone of voice, the language. I think they support 3: English, French, and Spanish. They have content guidelines. The nice thing is that I see they, by default, set the guideline to verify information for online accuracy. That's nice. You can update your brand voice. You can add team members. And let me show you how it works. So you can generate product descriptions. You can upload the Excel file for your products, and it will try to expand the description based on different columns. For example, you can have the description of the chemicals that are needed to produce some household cleaning materials, and based on different columns, you can combine and create total product summary. But I would like to show you the categories example. So imagine in your company you have different categories of products or services, and you would like to add meaningful descriptions for those. You might have hundreds of such categories, so you don't have to do it manually. You can upload it to SEO-4Retail. I've uploaded that here. So once you upload the document, you will be prompted to select what kind of columns are meaningful. For example, you can select the name of the category and you can call it a category name. If you would have description, you can mark it as a description. You can tell technical info. I can just see what I have as an input. I have just a category name. And maybe to improve discoverability by search engines, I would like to add descriptions to my categories. So I would launch test. Actually, I've already did that. And here are some examples like electrical drives. So here is kind of description you can get. Like PC accessories, sold for industrial use, devices for pre-press machines. Yeah, so you get the idea. What can you get with this tool? And you would be able to download and export that data. So yeah, basically that's it. So with this tool, you would be able to generate descriptions based on the input data for your products or product categories. The tool, I would say, is not SEO optimized. It still can be useful, I believe, though it will not do keyword research for your category. It cannot scrape the web by provided URLs. For example, it will not get the data from Amazon, and it cannot generate product descriptions by the images. So it works by the input that you provide. I would say it can be useful if you have a lot of Excel files prepared already in different formats. So maybe with these kind of tools like SEO-4Retail and specifically for retail, it can be useful to reutilize those Excel spreadsheets to generate meaningful product descriptions. All right, so that's it for SEO-4Retail review. Please check the link to this tool in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.